Alright, hello everybody!
Yeah.
Here I am with Fred, who's up on top of the Auckland Sky Tower and about to do the sky jump, 192 metres down to the ground. How are you feeling now you're up here?
Very brave, excited, and want to do it.
Yes. Did you want to have a look at the views?
Yes, it's the views.
Today, but
This is around.
right there. And we'll just get one more photo. So if you spin around, and Eden's going to take one more photo. Give her another look now. Okay, so this is going on your front. And this one is on your back. So if you face that way,
But how should I jump? Face there? Or?
face forward.
Okay.
Yeah. So just keep your left foot up here. Right, I'll just check this. Right up. Okay, so this hand, if you hold on here.
This hand, yes?
This hand, yes. And then this hand over here.
Yeah. Like this?
Okay. So this will pull up on your back.
Yeah.
Just hold on, okay?
Okay.
I'll count you down. When I say go, let go. Go. That's way. And Fred, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, there's no cambias que
Alright friend, that was New Zealand side jump, my friend, how you feeling? Good? High five. Woohoo!